So with everything when it comes to comic book movies being delayed or indefinitely postponed slash canceled productions, it's good to have something actually brand new. Today we're going to talk about a brand new Morbius poster that was released and the release of the film, which is good news. So out of nowhere, we got another look at Morbius. This time, it's Michael Morbius, but his face is sort of like being cut apart with the faded image of Morbius, the living vampire, kind of, like mixed up with it. And honestly, I think this looks pretty good. It's interesting. It's a good poster, I would say. A lot more unique than what Sony's done for a lot of their other films, like the Spider-Man, where they just like toss so much garbage and PNGs onto a poster, it doesn't even make sense. This is like very simplistic and nice looking, which is kind of shocking to me. It's a very minimalistic approach. Now, yes, I've seen the jokes. Yes, it resembles those Power Ranger posters. That's true. But again, I think this is good. They're reminding people that the movie is coming because, again, we're at a day and time where we don't know what's coming. Now, let's talk about that because, what is the status of Morbius? Well, people have been talking about it, and as of right now, it's not delayed, it's not postponed, it's still scheduled to come out. Now, obviously, it's coming out right around where we would have seen, San Diego Comic-Con. It's coming in summertime. So, again, they still have quite a ways to go till they have to assess the situation at the time and be like, okay, well, are we going to delay this? Do we keep it in theaters? Are theaters even open? What's happening? And, I think that's kind of the takeaway here. For right now, the film is still on schedule. Nothing's changed. Sony's not delaying that film yet. And who knows if things are going to change in the future. But I talked to somebody that says, Sony's pretty confident that all things considered, by then everything should be better. Again, it's one day at a time at this point, so hopefully things are good. But a release of a new poster is, it's nice. It's like, oh, look, guys, we're still keeping on business. We're going forward. We're Sony. I mean, that's all we got, really. Either way, though, it's a nice poster. I like it. I like the color popping through everything, the, like, bloodshot red eye, the black and white approach to it. It just looks unique. Like, you walk into a theater and you see all the other posters. This one might catch your eye. I don't know if it'll go beyond that. You might question what's a Morbius, but, it'll draw your attention to it, which is what they need.